Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use path array. That means I want to copy this ball around this path. So firstly I'm going to write array path, then click enter, then select object, enter, then select path. Now this ball is not distributed around this path. So now I am going here to the base point, click enter. Then here I am coming here to the ball to click to the base point. So as you see, these balls are distributed around this path. So if I want to change the distance between each ball, I am going here to the between, then write the distance that you need. Then I want, for example, 10. Then I am changing here. As you see, the distance between each ball here is become 10. So now if I want to distribute also this ball around this circle, I am going to the here path array, then select this ball, click enter, then select this circle. Now these balls are distributed outside this circle. Also I am coming here to the base point, then click here. As you see, also these balls are distributed around this circle. So I want to change also the distance between each ball. So for example, I'm coming here, the right 20 for example, then click here. As you see, the distance between this ball to this ball is 20. So if I want to measure this, I'm going here to the utilities, then choose measure. So here, come here. As you see, the distance between these two balls are 10. Okay. Now, if I'm coming here, then take the distance between these two balls. Are 20, as you see. So this is our video. Thank you so much for watching.